Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7917XX. Only 69,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 8-speaker Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Edges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. That is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3.6 liter V6. 301 horsepower and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.